let's get back to the story about the scorpion. The scorpion stings in the end. The frog. If you have an organization, if you are a manager, and you have this worker, he's working hard, but he is poisoning your organization by sabotaging your colleagues, by manipulating them. Is it worth it? Is it worth your troubles in your life? Think about it. If you have a friend, for example, and this friend shouts at you yesterday, and you go to the friend the next day and you tell him, you shouted at me, you hurt me, and this friend says, no, I didn't shout at you, you're imagining things. It never happened. And you say, no, you shouted at me. And he said, no, you're so dramatic. You always think negative. It's you that is wrong. And they start overriding you. They're poisoning their vision on you. They're gaslighting you. Do you need these scorpions in your life? Think about this. Do you need them? Of course, to change the situation, to change the destination of your life, cannot be done overnight. But you can change your direction overnight. And we have 9-Star Dragon Audio to get you to this point, to change your direction overnight. So that in the end, you can cross the river and not drown like the frog did.